Hi friends! Each of the steps I'm going to share comes directly from technicians who work every day at this highly experienced appliance repair shop. So let's get this fixed. When your Maytag washer shows the LF code and refuses to start, the first thing to do is take a deep breath. This error doesn't always mean something serious. At the shop, we've checked several cases, and we also consulted customer comments and specialized forums to explain clearly what's happening and how to fix it without complications. When customers arrive, many say, "I put the laundry in as usual and suddenly LF appeared and the machine does nothing." Some add that the washer tries to start the cycle but stops immediately, or that the drum seems stuck. This tells us that the LF error is almost always related to the load or drum balance, not necessarily electrical problems. That's why the first thing we check is the amount and distribution of the laundry. Overloading or having clothes concentrated on one side can cause the washer to detect an imbalance and display LF. One customer told us, "I separated the clothes and the machine started immediately. It was amazing." As one technician at the shop explains, if the drum is unbalanced, the machine won't start. Most of the time, just redistributing the load fixes everything. Next, we also check the load sensors and the balance system. With daily use, sensors can accumulate dirt or work irregularly, making the washer think there's too much laundry when there isn't. Some customers mentioned that after cleaning the sensors and ensuring the drum could spin freely, the error disappeared and the washer worked perfectly again. We also inspect the drum shocks and springs because if they're worn, the drum can tilt too much during the cycle and trigger LF. At the shop, we've seen customers surprised to find that simply replacing a shock or adjusting a spring made the washer work flawlessly again. Additionally, we check the motor and control board, since in less common cases, a failure in communication between the load sensor and the electronic board can make the machine display LF, even when there's no real overload. Maytag technical bulletins recommend checking the load, sensors, and suspension first before considering replacing the board or motor. Finally, we pay attention to general drum and bearing wear, because if the drum doesn't spin properly, the machine interprets it as a balance fault and triggers LF. Some customers told us that lubricating or replacing the bearings made the error disappear, and the cycle returned to normal.